everyone. We're at the Babylon train station. As you can see, it is complete or nearly complete. We're going to go up there and find out how close to completion it is, whether it's finished or not. But it looks great. It looks really good from here. Yeah, very good from here. Oh wait, before we go up there, we got another train coming in. Definitely got to get some train action from down here too. Alright, so something else I want to look at. Of course, the train is still up there, but you can maybe look at some things down here. Yeah, see, they're not quite finished yet. They still have some barricades up, so they're not quite done just yet. So we're going to go up this staircase real quick and we're going to check it out. Yeah, see, they're definitely not done. Here's the escalator right here. Yeah, see, it's not even all the way put together yet. Alright, so let's go up and see what's upstairs, shall we? Okay, so now we're at the top of the staircase, as you can see. Then we can take a peek at the escalator. That is so cool to be able to see what the inside of that looks like. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, let's check out the rest of the station, shall we? That same train is still here. There's one of the elevators. Oh, it's coming up. Look at that. That's what the top looks like. Cool. Alright, well, we're going to turn the camera away because we don't want to get people on film. Got to be respectful of people. Babylon train station. Yeah, see, it looks like there's work to be done still. Looks very good, though. Hi. It doesn't look like we can see inside there. Hi again. Wow, this is cool. They're nearly finished. See, they still got some of it open. It's another staircase. So that's where we were just filming at, was down there. So now we're going to go this way and check out this end of the platform and see how it looks over here. As you can see, they still have more panels to put in. You can actually see how they put it on there. I find that very, very interesting, just to see how things are put together. Okay, so remember this end. Remember, this is where we were looking at all those columns and beams. Now look. We couldn't even get over here before because they had this blocked off. Because they were working here. Oh yeah, here's some more stuff still open. More open over there too. Alright, so we're going to walk down here to this end of the platform. Alright, so if we have any train action before we leave, I'll throw it in. But it is a bit later in the evening, so I don't know how much train traffic we're going to have. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. I try to film different things to, for people that have different interests. I'm not one of those channels that like to have all the same thing. I find it kind of boring. So if you like a little bit of something different here and there, anything from trains to ferry rides to different places I go, this is the spot for you.
station. Will depart in 3 minutes. Six, train to Jamaica is now arriving on track 2. Please activate e-tickets now and step over the gap.
How awesome was that? Look at that. American 250. We finally got to see that car. We finally got to see that special car on film, on video.
Attention customers. Please use caution when boarding and exiting trains. Step over the gap between the train and the platform. Travel with small children, please hold your child's hand when boarding and exiting the train.